ECN Trade Technical Webinar. Good morning, my name is Rob Clayton. The Australian dollar stages a heavy tumble overnight as the market retreats from that 77.50 level, looks now towards that 75.95 support. Although we have seen a mild rebound in the last couple of hours from this region, technically I still see the move away from 76.80.90 and down towards that level of 75.95. Now a break beneath there would expose further downside and look towards the objective around 74 cents. In light of how the price action's gone over the last few days, above 77 cents, clearly the market only stabs towards that 77.50 level, and after 3 attempts I still feel any move above 77 cents will again fail. I do believe that the market will hold towards 75.95 and then lower down towards this region of 74 cents. Well, the euro again stabs towards the previous night's high around 113.15.20, and I still expect to see resistance holding anywhere between 131.10.15 to 131.60. In light of the hesitation towards the upside, I still look towards the support at 112.40 and then beneath there the trigger level of 111.65. It is only viewed through that level of 65 we'll get that move down to the awaited target of 109.50, which is what I've been calling now for quite a while. But the trigger level still remains, as I say, 111.65, and then see if we can get through that level. Well, dollar yen rallied back to that high of 101. Figure 15 and was clearly rejected, and from the downside move is now back underneath 100 with the support holding at 99.40. A break there would reopen the downside potential to a target of 98.60, so beware of if we get through that 99.40 level that 98.60 will be on the cards. While we remain underneath 100 though, I would like to point out that the BOJ has not been confirmed to be under here, but it does stage rather a sharp rebound when we are down here. So put 2 and 2 together and I think you find that it's possible that they are around, but no confirmation of that. On the top side now, resistance holds at 165, and as I say, up towards 101.15 again should find a cap. Well, the sterling, like the euro, just stabs towards the previously seen highs, as you can see here, where I put a resistance across. In light of the failed attempts towards that 131 region, I still look down towards the support holding around 129.40. In terms of direction, it's very hard to pick at the moment since rebounding from that 128.50 level. However, the trigger levels I'm looking for is either a break above 131.20, which will see momentum up towards the 60.80 level and then likely to retreat from there. And to the downside, support holds at 129.40. If we get underneath there, then we're looking back towards the 128, 127 region. But for direction at the moment, I'm still waiting for the confirmation to give that call. Well, gold stabbed towards that lower range, the lower side of the range of 13.28 to 34, and rebounds. Currently in a small bullish stance, looks towards the resistance of 13.58. With 52 now being challenged, or actually being cleared. Towards 58 and above, towards 66, or we go to dailies, you can see here there's good resistance around where we are at the moment. So 58 to 66, I do expect to see supply, and eventually turn back down towards the downside, with the support holding at 13.28. Beneath there, the bullish fortress holding at 1300. And to wrap up with oil, we are still in a bullish trend, and since the outside range day we've not seen hardly any pullback. Currently I'm looking towards an objective of 48.5 and reassess from there. Any weakness should now find support around 46.5. Well, that's a wrap. Thank you very much for listening. I hope you enjoy the day.